Does having a pretty version of something ever motivate you to go and do something that you otherwise don't want to do? Well, that's the case for me and this laundry basket. Because it is really pretty, it's super aesthetic, it motivates me to actually want to do my laundry. I really like that it's made of jute and it has a very lovely texture to it. I even like this little beaded tassel that hangs down from the handle, but that's completely optional. You can easily take it off if you wanted to. But the handles are nice and strong and really sewn on well. So even if I jam pack it really heavy with laundry, those are really secure as I'm carrying it up and down the stairs. And it does have a big capacity. It has no trouble holding 1 week's worth of laundry for me and my husband. But you can use it for so much more than laundry too. You could use it for pillows and throw blankets in your living room, or even for a bunch of stuffed animals in your kid's bedroom. And I really love that even though it's jute, it is not a very scratchy material. It's still very soft. It is excellent quality. It is really well made, so I can highly recommend it.